How's it you guys? It's your boy Jigga here back with another video. Now in today's video I will script for the game The Hood. Now shout out to Broom for making this awesome thumbnail for me. It will be showcased in today's video obviously, and also shout out to Rush Kara for this awesome script. Now it's a load string that has a key on it. Let me ask him for the Discord server. Can I have the Discord server please? Or I think I have a Discord server right here. I should have it on. Oh wait, I don't have it. Oh yeah, it's right here. I can make my own invite because I need to have that invite so I can give you guys the actual script. You know what I mean? So let me just okay. Never mind. Pretty simple to do. All you have to do is join the Hood. Obviously, you do want an account that you can use for the Hood because obviously I can't really use my account for the Hood. So I have to actually log into this account and stuff. But yeah, it does mess up with my stuff a lot, so I have to go into Roblox. Maybe with my bookmarks because like it's just annoying. Let me go into here, do on my free hoodie, ask the account, then I'm going to join the Hood and click play, and it should allow for this to open right up. Alright, so now we're gonna wait for everything to load in, all the gray parts to turn colorful. Give it a couple more seconds. Alright, now that we're here, wait for everything to go on. Wait for everything to load in, like I was saying. And it's just a pretty simple usable script. You don't have to have much knowledge on exploiting. You don't need much knowledge on exploiting. Sorry, I can't speak right now because I'm actually hearing my own voice raw. Like I don't have my headphones on. Makes it a little bit not harder to speak, but it makes me realize exactly what I say. So let's wait for that real quick. Now everything's loaded in, you're going to attach your synapse. Right, now that everything's loaded in, you're going to put the script into the actual executor. Or I put the Discord server. You're gonna want to go into here, the load string, copy it, paste it into your synapse or whatever executor you use, execute it, and it's going to ask you for a key, which you would do this, and once you get the key, you're gonna do this and do that, and then press check key. It's pretty simple to use. It's gonna load up a little song, which is pretty cool, and they added a little bit of they added a cache thing here, so you got cache aura. You can see you got all the cache around you. It's pretty cool. Cache head. You can make your head have a bunch of cache. As you can see, cache mouse. You can put the cache where your mouse cursor is. So that's actually pretty cool. So I got kicked from the game. So you do have to be a little careful with that. You can get kicked from the game because it teleports you, moves you around, so it kind of labels this as teleporting. It labels it as teleporting, so you do have to be a little bit careful with that. So shouldn't be too much of a problem though. You can literally dog water. I'm just kidding, guys. No one's dog water. I'm gonna attach it again. Wait a couple seconds or so. Alright, now you just execute it. You find the key again, which will always be in the Discord server, so that's why I'm going to link the Discord instead of the actual key, because it's not going to be reliable, you know. You're not going to rely too much on that, so you have to wait a little bit. I don't know why that person's doing that. Now we got combat, you got movement, target, auto farm, teleports, and the credits. Everything's for Rush Kara. Rush Kara did everything pretty much. But yeah, if you guys want the home, just here, the cache, do this, which is actually pretty cool. You can do cash fund, so if you do that, you're going to be able to change your cash to whatever you want, which is pretty cool. You can also do cash float, which will make all the cash around you float. But like I said, it might crash you if you teleport around and shit. So, oh, I didn't mean to say that. If you teleport around and stuff, there we go. I don't curse in this channel, guys, and I'm sorry for cursing that one time. I don't really encourage cursing. I don't like cursing on my channel. You got flow fist, god bullet, bag all, unban, mail. You got the movement. Are you kidding me? So what's his name? Nawal, whatever. He should regret that. He should honestly regret that. You should never do that to someone. And he's right there, so he just played himself. I'm gonna go to the weapons. I'm just going to get, what weapon should I get? Probably the AR. I'm gonna go with the AR. Get a bunch of AR ammo. I believe there's like a silent aim. Is there a silent aim or like an aimbot or something? Target. Is it here? Aim lock. So once you have aim lock, I believe you can aim lock any person, right? Okay, maybe it doesn't work. Aim lock. Okay, so I had a god mode on. I don't know what that guy's doing, so okay then. I'm not going to get that weapon. It's really trash. Probably the silencer is going to do way more work than that weapon. Let's go back to the bank. That guy should be there. Nawal, where you at? There you are, Nawal. What did I expect from a little silly Nawal? Okay, I'm reloading. Like I literally wasted all his hamburger stuff. Dude, Nawal is not good at combat. Nawal is not good at combat. Bro, Nawal is not good at combat, everyone. Given the fact that I exploited it here, but Nawal is not that decent at combat. He got the spin knife, anti-bag, fist wave, airstrike, kill all, crash gravity, hat fling, auto eat, anti-eat, and just all of that stuff in general. RPG ride, auto reload, and mask names. There's lots of features you can use, and since I have 2 minutes left, I'm going to showcase the auto farm. I'm at 4.7, and I'm going to do the P90 auto farm. So see how that works out. It's not working. Just turn on auto farm, and it's going to do that for you. I'm at 3.7k. You're going to see how much you can make in about 2 minutes. Wait, give it a little bit of time. Are you kidding me? Okay, I still made money. Like, you're still gonna get everything, even if that guy does that. You know what I mean? I'm all mad. I'm like, are you kidding me right now? But you'll be fine, guys. If you use anything, you'll be fine. But it did turn off, or I believe it waits for like others to be around. But overall, you should still be just fine to use it. And so in about a minute, oh, it's because it's floating the cash. Okay, you might want to change that. I'm just saying, guys, you might want to change the cash float, just because that happens, and it happens a lot. So you just change that, and then you should be fine to do whatever you want, pretty much. But yeah, you can make pretty decent cash. I'd say you can make 2k a minute, even more. Now don't move around and stuff. It might break it for you. But yeah, since I believe mine's broken, I'm just gonna stop doing it. But I lost my P90 and stuff, so yeah, that's kind of sucky, but it's whatever. Now thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.